It's said that New York is a melting pot. For these women, that saying couldn't be more true.
You can find any nationalities in this country, New York City. So this is how we do it.
Welcome to League of Kitchens, cooking classes taught by 13 immigrant women from all around the world. New Yorkers welcomed into instructors' homes to learn and taste family recipes passed down through generations.
All Indonesian people call our food nano-nano because of sour, sweet, spicy all together.
From Indonesian dishes in Astoria
Onion is very healthy on the pan.
to Ukrainian stews in Jackson Heights.
All of our instructors, they are what I call community, cultural, and lineage holders within their larger communities.
Lisa Kyung Gross is the daughter of a Korean immigrant and a Jewish New Yorker. She founded League of Kitchens in 2014, a dream born out of wanting to replicate her own grandmother's recipes.
Do I flip it one more time or no?
Yeah, one more time.
Over a decade later, instructors welcoming over 7,000 students into their homes.
Most of the people that come to my house, they feel accepted.
Chandra came to the U.S. from Indonesia in 2001, searching for a better life. But after experiencing homelessness, cooking became her lifeline, a connection to her Indonesian roots.
Ooh, yummy.
Chandra eventually found League of Kitchens, where she said she rediscovered a sense of empowerment.
It's empowered me that we can do better. Sharing your family is awesome. You share the recipe, it's awesome.
So often in our culture, immigrants are the ones who've been dislocated or in the lower position of power. But in our classes, the instructors are the queens of their kitchens.
It's a celebration that some attend time and again.
I learn something new every time, not just about recipes, of course, but about the different cultures and the different people.
Fostering lasting connections is what 91-year-old Ukrainian instructor Larissa Frumkin hopes to do with her classes.
When your students come through your door, when they sit at your table, beyond the recipes, beyond learning how to cook, what do you hope they walk away with?
I would like them to feel that it was one of the best days of their life.
A day that bridges cultures.
Oh my God!
Where each class serves up more than just a dish.
When you're at someone's table or you're cooking with them in their kitchen and eating together, you can't help but see them as a full human and to hear their stories in a way that feels relatable.
Lainey Broussard, NBCU Academy.